You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's change your Roblox avatar back to the classic blocky look. Log into your Roblox account and click on your avatar icon. This takes you to the customization page. At the top, select the body tab. Inside the body menu, look for the body type or avatar type setting. Choose R6 from the drop-down menu if it's not already selected, as this is the traditional blocky style with 6 body parts. Next, you need to adjust the body proportions. Look for the scale slider or option. Move the slider all the way to the left or select classic scaling. This will make your avatar's limbs and torso more square and uniform. To complete the look, remove any detailed clothing or accessories. Go to your wardrobe and unequip any shirts, pants, or layered clothing that add curves. Your avatar will now appear with the simple iconic blocky shape. You can wear basic t-shirts and hats that maintain this style. Remember, some games may override your avatar's appearance with their own character models. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.